So you have to scrub it. So without waste of time, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients we're going to be using today. First, we're going to be using Colgate toothpaste. We're going to be using toothpaste. We're going to be using soda bicarbonate, as you can see, soda bicarbonate. So again, we're going to be using vinegar and rice powder. So if at all you cannot find rice powder, get rice, put it in your blender and you can use it. So I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So we are going to start with the rice powder. I'll just take 1 spoon of rice powder. Okay. Then next I'm going to be taking 1 spoon of soda bicarbonate. Soda bicarbonate has its agent which helps the skin to lighten up. It has that component which helps the skin to lighten up, and it looks clear and very white. So yeah, soda bicarbonate. Then next I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of vinegar. Next I'm going to be adding Colgate. You should just add little. So after that I'm going to be getting a spoon to mix it well. So after that I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So I'm just going to apply on my hands. Yeah, just like this. Only the places where we have dark areas. It's very strong. Immediately when you try it, you'll feel the reaction. So I'm going to be even applying in my armpits. I'm going to be showing you. So I'll keep this on, then I'll go direct to the armpits. So you have to scrub it. Then after, you keep it for some 40 minutes and keep it there. After that you can wash it off, and you're going to be having a no dark spot skin, no dark armpits after using this. Love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.